and welcome to my channel. So I recently went to Hunar Haat. Hunar Haat है क्या basically? It is an exhibition जो कि लखनऊ में लगा है एंड यहाँ पे जगह जगह से लोग आए हैं अपने क्राफ्ट को लेके, अपने बिजनेस को लेके एंड देर प्रमोटिंग इट यहाँ पे एंड देर सेलिंग देयर गुड्स एंड सेलिंग देयर आर्ट वर्क एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये लगा है शहीद पथ पे. इसका एग्जैक्ट location I'll insert it यहाँ पे. Alright, so this is the entry point of the Hunar Haat. यहाँ पे there is no entry fees. It's absolutely free. You get your bags and yourself scanned before you go inside. अंदर बहुत भीड़ थी. I would suggest please wear your masks whenever you go to places that are super crowded. Most people were not wearing masks, but for your own safety, please wear a mask. Alright, so now moving on to what all things you should expect यहाँ पे and what all kind of stalls you'll find here. So यहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे बहुत सारे art and craft के stalls, accessories के stalls, and then खाने से related, art से related stalls, and they're all doing an amazing job. ये था एक मधुबनी painting का stall and there are a number of these available. So if you are considering buying any Madhubani paintings, you should go there. The paintings were absolutely amazing. There were a lot of these creative, decorative चीज़ों के stalls. Amongst them was this stall, which is my favorite. So all these things that you see are actually leather which has been painted on. You'll also find stalls जहाँ पे मिट्टी के बर्तन मिल रहे हैं जिनमें you can actually cook. I did not know that you can actually cook in these, and इनका washing is also apparently very easy. Then you also find a number of amazing paintings and artwork, and the vibe was very similar to Mahotsav. Lucknow people would know what I'm talking about. But yes, apart from this, खाने पीने के, and this particular stall was selling khade masale, achar and everything. And this is one of the eating areas. So this is on one side of the stage, and on the other side of the stage भी there are a number of stalls जहाँ पे खाने पीने का सामान है. So पेट पूजा भी करते रहो और शॉपिंग भी करते रहो. Now ये तो हो गई स्टॉल्स और खाने पीने की बात, बट इसके अलावा इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन वॉचिंग लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस तो वो भी यहाँ पे हो रहा है. डिफरेंट डेज पे डिफरेंट सेलिब्रिटीज़ का शेड्यूल्ड है यहाँ पे आना एंड परफॉर्मेंस. सो जिस दिन मैं गई थी उस दिन कुमार शानू का परफॉर्मेंस था एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू वॉच द परफॉर्मेंस, बट I could not wait for that long. So I did enjoy दो other artists का performance and then we had to leave for home. But if you're interested in something like that, you know where to go basically. To know more about कि कब कौन सा celebrity आ रहा है, कब कौन सी performance है, you can actually visit their Facebook page or their Instagram handle or their Twitter account. So they're available on all social medias. They also have a YouTube channel by the name Hunar Haat. And they also broadcast these performances live on various different platforms. I think Facebook Pay and on Instagram they're live while the performance is going on. So you can also visit there. And now about my favorite part of this entire thing was this puppet show. So this uncle in blue shirt was the one who was making the puppets dance, and he was there from the time we reached there, which was I think दोपहर में 2:30 के अराउंड हम वहाँ पे गए थे एंड शाम को हमें 7:30 हो गया था निकलते निकलते, एंड ही वॉज देयर थ्रू आउट स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड मेकिंग द puppets dance. Amazing job and a very difficult one too. But I enjoyed it, and a number of children who were running around were also enjoying the puppet performance. And yes, now moving on to the things that I got from Hunar Haat. Here is a mini haul of that. So the first item जो हमने वहाँ पे खरीदा was this. This is a handmade duster and we got it for 50 rupees. So we'll do a lot of dusting now. So for the second item we got some achar. We bought लहसुन का अचार and we bought मिर्ची का अचार. वो ऐसे पैकेट्स में था and my mom ripped the packet and अब वो डिब्बों में है. So you would not know the name of the brand or anything because I would not be able to tell you that because अभी तो वो डब्बे में है. So we cannot do anything about that, but I'll show you. Yeah, so this is the achar. And उसके बाद फिर हमने खरीदा थोड़ा बहुत snacks. So these are some snacks and they said and claimed that these are healthy and actually these are good. So after we were done buying all ये खाने पीने का सामान, we went ahead and we shopped a little more. So उसके बाद we went ahead and we bought My absolute favorite. So these are kettle वाला earrings. इसमें 3 kettles हैं. मेरे घर में चाय बहुत ज़्यादा पी जाती है, पर मुझे ये earrings पसंद आ गया. So I bought these and इस शॉप से मैंने सिर्फ ये earrings ही लिए थे and they look cute. And I have decided I want to pair them up with jeans and denim and lehengas and saris and suits and whatever I wear, I'll pair them up. सब चीज़ के साथ. And then there was another accessories का shop जहाँ से I bought something again very similar but very different. So on the next shop हमें ये दोनों चीज़ें मिली. So first is this is a septum ring and ये जो stone लगा है, this is like a pretty pink, oh my gosh, pink kind of a stone, color का stone and then ऐसे intricate, ऐसे बहुत delicate सा design है. Now the whole problem with this is ये बहुत cute है, सब कुछ है, but okay, right, so this was for 50 rupees and ये जो earrings थे, these were for 150. इसका metal बहुत sturdy है and सब कुछ, but the whole problem is this is a little too big for my face, a little too big for my nose and does not look good. I have one more septum ring and वो वाली is my favorite and that is like a छोटू सा septum ring and I think अगर ये उस size में होती it would have looked good, but ये बहुत बड़ी है. So like this is how I want. And अभी मैंने tight भी नहीं किया है, so I think मैं हल्का सा tight करूँगी, so this would look maybe a little better. I don't know, but ऐसे तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है because this is a little too big for my face and this ring fits perfectly in my pinky finger. अगर मैं nose पे नहीं भी पहन पाई इसको, I think I'll use it as a ring then. So that was one thing. Now वो septum ring and this ring I got from the same shop and ये है again a kettle and a चाय का cup. Now this is not for me, this is for my mom, so ये उनकी finger के हिसाब से sized है, which is why it is a little big on me, but this looks cute, especially for someone who drinks a lot of chai. And इस ring को देख के कोई भी समझ जाएगा it's chai time now. Yes, it's chai time. It's always chai time. It's always chai time. So yes, this ring. Now this ring was also I think 150, right? This is all for accessories. इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ बहुत अलग, बहुत यूनिक नहीं दिखा, so मैंने नहीं लिया. Then next up, I found this. This is a pretty pink mug, and इसके साथ I also bought this. Again a pretty pink bowl. So I bought these two. This mug was for 100 rupees and the bowl was for 150. So this is another thing जो मैंने लिया. And then this is the last thing that we got from Hunar Haat. This is a गमला. So इसका original price उन्होंने quote किया था 150 and then he said 120 and उसके बाद फिर उन्होंने 100 rupees में हमें दे दिया. So yay! वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा बार्गेनिंग नहीं चल रही टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट बहुत कम शॉप्स है जो कि यू नो विल लेट यू बार्गेन एंड विल लेट यू नो ठीक है इतना नहीं इतने में ले जाओ वगैरह वगैरह. आई एम बैड एट बार्गेनिंग बट माई मॉम इज़ ओके एट बार्गेनिंग, बट नहीं हुआ किसी का भी प्राइस कम. इन दी एंड हमें बस इसमें थोड़ा सा प्राइस रिलैक्सेशन मिला, बट अदरवाइज येस. So this is everything that I got from Hunar Haat. I hope you guys visit there soon. Hunar Haat अभी कुछ दिन और के लिए I'll mention all the dates and all the details नीचे description में, so do check that out. And yes, go ahead, visit Hunar Haat, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys soon. Bye.